Pandas for Finance. Episode 13. Writing out your work. Excel for analysts, Parquet for archives, DuckDB for SQL. 4 formats, 1 pipeline. You've cleaned, joined, computed. Now hand the result to the next person, or to future you. Match the format to the audience. Excel for finance teams who live in tabs. Parquet for the next pandas script that loads in a heartbeat. DuckDB when you want SQL on top of your DataFrame with no server. Today, a leaderboard summary, a multi-sheet workbook, a Parquet snapshot, and a DuckDB database, all in one short script. Open NVIM pandas and DuckDB at the top. Display options. Width, max columns, float format. Pandas pretty print so wide tables fit. Read Parquet. 28,000 rows, 14 tickers, already cached. Summary leaderboard. Group by ticker, then .agg. Named aggregations. First aggregation, last aggregation, average volume. 3 columns folded with their own functions. Total return. Last divided by first, -1. Rounded to 2 decimals for the leaderboard. Single sheet Excel. .to_Excel writes 1 tab. The index becomes the leftmost column unless you pass index equals false. Multi-sheet Excel. pd.ExcelWriter is a context manager. Inside, repeated to _Excel calls add tabs. Loop per ticker. Apple, NVDA, Tesla. Filter the rows, sort by date, write each as its own tab. Parquet. Columnar, compressed, lossless. Write today, read back in milliseconds tomorrow. duckdb.connect. Open a SQL database file from Python. Create table as select from df pandas-to-SQL in 1 line. The bridge between 2 analyst worlds. Run a SQL query against the table. Return as a DataFrame via .df. Best of both. Save and run. Summary leaderboard. NVDA returned 37 times, TSLA 20, Apple 6. Volume averages tell the same scale story. Three things. Excel for handoff, single sheet with .to_Excel, multi-sheet with pd.ExcelWriter context manager. Parquet for archives. Fast, compressed, columnar. The format you read back the next day without thinking. DuckDB for SQL. duckdb.connect. Create table as select from df pandas plus SQL plus 0 server overhead. That was writing out. Excel, Parquet, DuckDB. Episode 14. The capstone. An equal weight portfolio backtest against SPY. Every concept from the series in 1 script.